In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up expedited shipping with Shippo. If you need faster delivery for customers or just want more speed options when you buy labels, Shippo makes it straightforward. The key is understanding that expedited shipping isn't a single toggle or a special mode. In Shippo, it simply means choosing a faster carrier service level when you compare rates. Instead of standard ground, you'll pick services designed for quick delivery, and those choices are what count as expedited. When you're looking at rates, watch for service names that indicate speed and the estimated transit times shown alongside them. Examples include USPS Priority Mail Express, which typically delivers in 1 to 2 days, UPS Second Day Air, which lands in 2 days, UPS Next Day Air for next day delivery, and FedEx Express services for fast turnarounds. Availability can vary based on where you're shipping from and to, as well as package details, so the options you see may differ by shipment. Let's walk through the process in the Shippo dashboard. Start in Orders if you're working from synced store orders, or go to Shipments if you're creating a label from scratch. Enter the shipment details carefully, the sender and recipient addresses, plus accurate package weight and dimensions. Precise measurements help ensure you see all eligible services and prevent unexpected carrier adjustments later. Once your details are in, Shippo will display a list of available rates from connected carriers. Scroll through the options and look for the faster services. You'll recognize them by names like Priority Mail Express, Second Day Air, Next Day Air, and similar express designations, as well as by the shorter delivery estimates shown next to each price. Compare the speed and cost, then choose the expedited rate that fits your timeline and budget. After you select your preferred expedited service, proceed to buy and print the label. The label you purchase will use that faster service level, and your shipment will move through the carrier's network accordingly. Keep an eye on the estimated delivery window and tracking updates once it's on the way. A few practical tips as you do this. Transit times are estimates, so consider carrier cutoff times and weekends when planning. Make sure the address is complete and correct to avoid delays. If your package is unusually large or heavy, double-check dimensions and packaging type to keep your rate accurate. And remember, what you see in the rate list depends on your connected carriers and your shipment details. That's all it takes to set up expedited shipping in Shippo by choosing the faster service when you buy your label.